Hey friends, thank you so much for watching and welcome. I'm Stacey. In today's video, I have for you some great kitchen organization finds, some home decor finds, things for your laundry room. Everything is from Amazon, just in time for Amazon Prime Day. To make everything easy for you guys, I'm going to put everything in numeric order. A number is going to pop up on the bottom of the screen. Just jot down the number to the item that you like. Scroll down to the description, find that number. It will take you directly to that item. Number one is this cold brew coffee maker with over 56,000 reviews at 4.5 stars. This is a great way to make your own cold brew coffee at home. You basically fill up the container with cold water. You have a nice mesh container right here that you drop in about 14 to 16 tablespoons of your favorite fresh ground coffee. This twists right into the cap right on top and then just twist it closed. What's nice is the handle does have a nice rubber grip so you don't have to worry about it slipping into your hand. Seal it closed. It has a nice airtight seal. Allow this to steep in the refrigerator for 24 hours. The next day you have a cold cup of smooth coffee. Number two is this wooden mango bowl. This bowl is just so cute. This is great to display on the kitchen countertop, or you could put it on your coffee table or a shelf. It sits about 5.5 inches tall. It is about 9.5 inches wide. I actually picked up a set of faux artichokes. This will be number 3. This comes in a set of 6. So my plan to display these artichokes on the kitchen counter with these beautiful little faux artichokes, I just thought they were just so cool and so realistic looking. So basically I'm going to add them into the bowl just like this, and just a great way to display some, vegetables, or you could use some fresh fruit in here should you choose to, but just a great decoration piece for the kitchen countertop. One of the most dangerous items in the kitchen is a dull knife, which leads me to number 4, which is this #1 bestseller with over 23,000 reviews, is this knife sharpener. What's great about this knife sharpener is it actually comes with this great cut resistance glove. So basically you just slide this glove on just like so. The knife sharpener actually has nice little rubber soles right on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it slipping all over the counter. You're basically going to hold it just like this and take your knife through. There are 3 different steps. The first step kind of just straightens the knife, removes any marks, or maybe the knife is uneven or anything like that, and then you're basically going through and fine-tuning the sharpening. It is very easy to clean. You just basically dump over the metal shavings over the garbage can. You're good to go. You don't want to put this in the dishwasher, and if you own a ceramic knife, basically you're just using step number 1 to kind of run it through a few times to sharpen that knife. Next is this soft fleece blanket. Guys, this blanket is just so soft. It is a nice little Sherpa fleece material. I like the decorative cover right on the top, and then it also has the back, which is just a plain solid color. I picked it up in a gray. It's also available many different colors, but this is just a soft blanket, something great to add right on top of your couch. You can cozy up at the end of the day. Just very soft feeling blanket. This would also make a good gift for somebody too. A great way to organize those Ziploc bags, and you may have seen these already because they have gone viral on social media, are these bamboo containers to store your Ziploc bags. Oh my gosh, guys, when you add these into your cabinet with your Ziploc bags and you open that drawer, you're just gonna feel so organized. I opened it up and I was just like, oh, this is so lovely. But basically what you do is the bottom comes open just like this. You just drop in your plastic bags, close it. It comes with these little self-adhesive little feet that basically once you drop it into your drawer there, you don't have to worry about this sliding or moving all around. But it is a great way to organize your Ziploc bags. Now that leads me to the next item that I picked up, and that was this little foil saran wrap wax paper organizer as well. This you have to put together. So basically there's just like a little self-adhesive tape here. You just peel this across, drop this in here. You are able to add in your, let's see, it's right over here on this side. You slide in your foil, your plastic wrap, and your wax paper. Again, just a great way to keep the cabinet organized. Once you open that drawer, oh, it's like priceless. That feeling of going, oh my gosh, everything looks so nice and I don't have a bunch of cardboard boxes sliding all over the place. Next up is this laundry detergent holder with this drip tray. This is a great way to hold your liquid laundry detergent. Basically, you just add your laundry detergent right on top. You have a nice little strap here. You can strap it right over. It velcros right into place. It keeps your laundry tilted so that way when you're pouring it out, you don't have to move it or anything like that. It also has this nice little drip tray should you have any extra laundry dripping out. A great way to keep your laundry room clean and organized. Also for your laundry room is this magnetic lint bin. This thing is just so great. It has a big magnet on the back so you are able to boom, right, attach this to your dryer, drop your lint in. There is also an opening here and it comes with a little screw set should you want to hang this on the wall. I personally just use the magnetic part right on my dryer. It attaches very securely. It's a great way, again, to have your laundry room look organized and clean. I used to put my little garbage can on top of the dryer and drop the lint in there, and every time you'd walk in, it just looked it was such an eyesore, but this is just a great way to help the laundry room look nice and organized and a great way to toss that lint. This next organization find from Command is this large clear caddy. This attaches to the back of the kitchen cabinet door or your bathroom cabinet door. Basically, you're able to attach it to the back of the door and put your items in there, which leads me to another Command find, and that is this bottle holder. Again, attaches to the back of the cabinet door, and basically you have the little holder here that you're able to just drop in your Windex bottle or your cleaner bottle. Staying with the organization theme is this battery organizer. Guys, I have owned this personally for a couple years now. It holds about 93 batteries. It is a great way to keep your batteries all in one place. It also has a nice little battery tester. And what I like about it, it does have the nice clear acrylic cover. So that way you're just able to open up the drawer, check out what batteries you have, what you need, and yeah, move on with your day. A great way to clean your stainless steel appliances is this nano towel. Avoid the harsh chemical, guys. This is all you need. You just wet it under the water. You have two sides. The rough side is for rubbing all those smudge marks off. This is good for the refrigerator. This is good for faucets, the stove top, any stainless steel appliances you have. The back side is for polishing. It really works great. I will have it linked below for you guys. This next item I've actually owned for many years, and that is this milk frother. It comes with this nice little handle. I keep it right on the kitchen countertop right next to our coffee maker, but just a great way to mix any of your creamers or sweeteners that you choose to in your coffee. It works great, and like I said, we use this pretty much on a daily basis. The batteries last a good amount of time. I believe we replace them maybe twice a year, and for something that we use on a regular basis, yeah, you can't complain about that. You've probably already seen this because it is very popular with thousands of reviews, so definitely check it out. And finally is this area rug. Guys, this area rug is just so soft and so pretty. We picked it up in a light gray color. It's also available in other colors, but if you are like me and you like to walk around your house barefoot, oh my goodness, your feet are just gonna love how soft this rug is. It's just a cute decorative piece, something to add right into the entryway when you're walking in the door, or your laundry room, or maybe in your bathroom. But I just thought it was so soft. I just had to share it with you guys. So, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.